For this video, I'm going to show you how to create, organize, and share a document in Google Drive. So, to begin with, starting from the KCC homepage, we will go to MyUH. Okay. So Google Drive came up top for me because I have favorited it here. So if you don't see Drive, you can always type in Drive at the search bar and it'll come up for you. And if you're something you're going to use regularly, I recommend that you favorite it. So we'll go to Google Drive. So to begin with, if you are creating files, you need to organize them for your class. I recognize that you first begin by creating a folder for your class. So let's say I'm taking AMT 100. So I will create a folder for that. Now I'll open up the folder. I want to create a document inside here. So you go over here where it says New, Google Docs. And this creates your new one. So I recommend that you title it document. Okay. So we've now created our document, we've named it, we've put it in the appropriate folder. The last step is to share it. So your instructor may ask you to share a document with them or with a classmate. So to do that, you'll be using the share button up over here. So you just click on share. In here, you can add the email address of somebody that you would like to share it with. I won't actually share it that one, but that is how you do it. You can create a document, rename it, and then share it. So hope that helps.